This is a Samsung Note 10 and this one does not charge. When you put in the charger, it gives an error on the screen. So here it shows like it is charging, but then shows this error and keeps on vibrating. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So first, what we have to do, I have to take off this back cover, access the charging port, and I'll have to replace. So let me take off this cover. So the cover is off. So let's take off this wireless pad. So the wireless charging pad is off. Now we need to disconnect the battery first. Then take out this slot for the S Pen. So the speaker is off. And now down here we have the charging port. So let's disconnect the cable. This is the cable that moves from the charging port to the main board. And let's also disconnect the screen. So we have to remove these 3 screws. So the charging plate is out. So if you look closely at this charging port, you can see that it has a little bit worn out. And this might be the reason why the phone shows like there is some liquid inside the charging port. Sometimes cleaning the charging port helps temporarily fix the issue. However, in this case, we have done the cleaning many times and seems the issue keeps on popping up. So now, this type of plate, I've contacted the people where I get my parts from, and they're actually out of stock. So I know you might also be having the same issue and you can't source for this same plate immediately right now, but you can employ some other temporary solution which can help us fix this phone. Now, I'm going to use my heat gun, but I need to be mindful of this microphone because this microphone needs very small degrees, and if you go above 250, this microphone is going to die, and when you put it back in your phone, the other person is not going to be hearing the voice. So I'm going to take my heat gun at my blower at 250 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to blow around this pot. Usually this can help to reflow the pins, so blowing it with 250 degrees can also help. So for around like 1 minute or 2 minutes, we can call that one a fix. But when you're blowing, you should remember that not to point the heat gun inside this small hole. This hole is where the sound goes to the mic. So you should not point the heat gun inside here, because if you point it here, the mic is going to die instantly. Let's fix it inside. So let's put back the battery and let's put in the charger. So you can see the ring has come. And yes, you can have the phone charge well now. It's no longer showing the other air, and you can see it's now at 2%. Let's wait for it to get at least up to 3 or 4%. So you can see it has increased up to 3%. So let's see if it can also go up to 4%. So you can see it's now at 4%. So this solution can help you fix your Note 10 charging issue, and it can help you go through until you get the other complete charging flex. So I'll end this video here and I'll put back these parts. And if you like the video, you can subscribe. If you have any question, you can put in the comment. And if you have anyone who is facing the same problem, you can share with them this video so that they can have this solution. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.